barcodes from any Excel column in one click. Meet DOS for Excel's Insert Barcode tool. It turns any column of source values into scannable barcode images right inside your workbook. Open the DOS tab on the ribbon. Click the Insert dropdown, then choose Insert Barcode. The Insert Barcode pane opens on the right. 6 barcode symbologies are supported. Code128 for general SKUs and internal codes. QR code for URLs and asset tags. Plus EAN 13, EAN 8, UPC-A, and UPC-E for retail packaging. The pane gives you full control. Barcode size. Set the width and height in pixels. Display options. Tick Show Barcode Number to print the readable value under each barcode. Data validation. Choose whether to pass values through as is, repair values that don't fit the chosen format, or skip invalid rows completely. Click Select your range and pick the source cells, then place the results to, and choose where the barcodes should land. Click Generate. In seconds, every source value becomes a real scannable barcode image, sized to fit its cell. Now, for QR codes. Here is a fresh sheet with a column of URLs ready to become scannable QR images. Change the type to QR code, pick the URL column, place the results next to it, and click Generate. Every URL becomes a scannable QR image, ready to print or scan with any phone camera. No fonts to install, no macros to enable. Bulk processes hundreds of rows in one click, with a barcode engine that produces standards-compliant, scannable output. Insert Barcode. From a column of data to scannable output. Get DOS for Excel at zbrainsoft.com.